Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I got quite a few messages from people that are on Windows 11 21H2, and when I talked about the fact that there's 3 months left for 21H2, that came back and said, well, I'm not offered the update, and I don't know why, or I'm offered the update, or some actually have the update telling them that something's not compatible with them, or the driver's too old. There's a lot of things that can prevent you from seeing the 22H2 for Windows 11. Of course, the thing to remember is that you still have 3 months, 3 full months. And there's, don't worry yet, and don't try anything. Just be patient and wait for the update to possibly appear at some point. Many things can prevent you from being offered 22H2, even though it is what we call general availability, which means most people should see it. If you see it and you're not, you don't want to go there yet, there's no problem there. You can still wait. Wait it out, and you can wait the 3 months if you want to. One of the things that often is a blocker, and that is one of the most common ones I've seen. If you have a third-party antivirus, Norton, McAfee, whatever, security feature, Kaspersky, and so on, often the reason why the update isn't offered is because the engine of the antivirus might not be yet up to date to the 22H2. It can happen. If that is the case, the antivirus company will at some point update all of the code so that it is fully compatible, and you will be offered the update at some point. It could be drivers. So drivers, the best thing to do is go to the manufacturer website, because I see some people that go and right-click and go to their device manager, and they check the drivers in the device manager. And in the device manager, they'll be checking out if there's an update through the update driver button. So search for drivers. It's not necessarily true that the best driver is installed. It's not necessarily true you are at the latest driver using this method. This method relies on the fact that Microsoft has the updated drivers on its servers, which isn't always the case. So the best thing to do is to go to the manufacturer's website. If you have a Dell, an HP, an Asus, an Acer, a Lenovo, whatever brand computer you've got, it's the manufacturer's website that is the place to go to check for the latest drivers that they have. That could be the unlock button. If you go there and you see that there are drivers that are newer than the ones you have, maybe that's going to unlock 22H2 for you if you don't see it yet. For the rest, there are various things, software that's installed. There's all sorts of little things. There could be blockers that are intentional for something Microsoft knows with the telemetry is not yet compatible, or maybe that they need to fix, and once it's fixed, you'll get offered 22H2. But like I said, relax, 3 months. You still have 3 months. You'll worry when you get 2 weeks. And when we get there, I'll show you different ways that you can force it to go to 22H2. But if it's not offered to you, I would recommend not to force it for now, because there's certainly a reason for that. So don't worry, it'll eventually be there. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.